Alright my peeps, going by Port Royal now, you know. Going by Port Royal, I'm gonna set up my first live bait. I don't get a whole heap, I never get any of the bait that I wanted. So I get one pill shad that I'm gonna put them out now. And I get some shad. So I'm gonna use the shad and see what I can catch, and in the meantime I see if I can catch any bait around here, you know, any shad or any pill shads around here, so. Set up my sun spike now. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one out to put right here, so. Look a distance away from the other one. About here, so don't want it too far. The rest of man, you can see that. So I just set out a shad on this one. Shad, you know. First, I use shad like this in this kind of way. Check it in now. Alright guys, so I just put out 2 rods. That one, Akuma Azores, and the Akuma Helix. 2 of them. 1 shad, 1 toffee. So let me see what I got now, no? Alright. See if I can catch anything with the shad. But let's see, I can use shad. I don't have no choice. When I catch a bait, I hit that, you know, done. Fish on. Eh? Fish on for the man, blue runner. No, this is not a blue runner. What a blue runner this? Oh, let's see him. Oh, amberjack. Amberjack. Get an amberjack. Hey. So guys, amberjack. Man, catch an amberjack here, man. It's small, but we can't go on. Eh? And baby, you catch.
Get the jack for roast now.
I say, you cook him, catch and cook. Catch and cook on the sea. I'll test it and see if I can find it. Now look for him now and see how he stay. Oh, watch out. A cutlass fish here. You never get to bite him in a two. The cutlass, Them new again. Yeah, the dirty pipe of them. Fire time now. So where's now light oh the light in the bag. So get the lighter then, alright? Yeah, so we are catch up some fire just now. We are gonna cook up a little jack the right just you know so. Yeah man, see there? Man say I gonna cook him up right now, you know, yes. Yeah man, right on the seaside right that's all. Should I catch a long bigger one and throw him on it too. If you catch a next one before while I'm done, I'm going out, you know. Then change the ingredients, you know. Mix up, some mix up thing like that, everything in it. Yeah man, and this, the pepper this. Yeah, see there. I never get any bait at the jetty, so we come around here and we say boy, let's see if we can catch some bait. Because sometimes the bait passes in front of us. You know. Right now, my second down there, so I catch some bait right now. But we have to wait until we see them passing, then we throw the CB and catch them. And that's how we get a few bait to set this morning. You know, I bring some shad around here to set. And the shad never make no sense at all. The moharas, the small moharas, yeah, them never make any sense at all because I put them out there and not one bite. And as him catch a bang and put out so bam, them catch a small size amberjack. So him say I will cook him. So we'll catch up the fire now and so me just fillet the fish a while ago. So we'll catch up the fire and then we'll just throw him on the fire right now and just go and eat the lunch, you know. So that's how we have to do it, you know them way there? Yeah. So right now I catch some more bait and then I'll come up and deal with it. I'll just set up by the rod them and then come go and watch me while we are roast up the fish, right? So stay tuned guys. Alright now, so you see, we just catch some sprat a while ago, you know. Just catch some sprat. Alright? Call them sprat or threadfin herring. You know, our local term already, that's sprat we are talking about. So, yeah, so I'm just catch some sprat, so I'm going to set out one right now. I'll show you. See the man fire pit there, you know. Man fire pit that, you know. Yeah? Alright, so. See him catch some sprat in this year. Shad, not a shad. Two shad in the night too, okay? That's a nice sprat here, man. A big sprat. Here. Nice sprat here, see there. Threadfin herring. I would have explained to you why they call them threadfin herring, but guess what now? By the time I don't explain to you why I call him, so I'm dead. So I can put him out when I'm dead and I explain to you. By the time I don't explain, him dead. Because them fish here are the easiest fish to dead to the easiest bait fish. Again, I put him out soon, because water. Guys, see the fire there now, fire ready, you know, see there? Yeah. Fire blaze. Ready now to put on the fish, alright? So here we are. Let's do this! So we are doing it now, yeah, we mark it up. Season it up now and put it on the grill. See that? Fire ready. See that one? Watch where them see me. Skin side down. I think you have to know. Guys, see that now? Yeah. Just a little roasting up on the beach side there, you know. Yeah man, me and the fish, we are going to roast two roast a little fish we catch, you know. So, feel there. We catch a bait them, and the field rod catch the fish. So I just see my catch more bait there again. So I might catch more bait while me I go and look on the fish on the fire, right? Meanwhile, me I go and watch the rod them. So enough things are going out here, so here we are now. See the fish here now, ready, you know? Yeah man, look. See that? Ready? That's ready now, no? Yeah, man. So I take it off now. I will go and bubble it up. Is it? Yeah. Alright, little beach side cookings. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, we're kind of hungry, so we're gonna deal with it now. So watch this now. Yeah, see that now. See that now, guys. Yeah, I like a cook up, you know. Good to go now. So we're gonna just bubble it up now. Yeah, man. See that now. See it? Nice. Nice meat there. And now come for lunch. But you just eat half more, you know.
Let's set out here and then come.
You're a bad man, smell the pan of video. Mama, bring it up. See that? Fish on. Yeah, man, fish on, fish on. Yeah, man, that tastes good a while ago now. Yeah, so guess what happened now? Watch your rod, watch your rod. You see that, see that? Look, 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 look. Fish on, brother. Yeah, get the man. Man, you hold him, hold him. Alright, brother, hold him. Fish on every time, hold him. You might run. Take time, no, take time, no, take time, take your time, take your time. Just give me a drag. Catching fish, hey, you're dealing with him again? No, we can't do that. Yes, the fire's still alive, you know. Take your time, take your time. Let me feel the drag. No, too tight, too tight. Back off it. Ah, that's right. No, man, that's so good. Alright, take that, that's it. See that, people? Man just put out the bait and turn him back. I'm going to tell him, say, look for your rod. Yes, hold him, the blue runner. Another blue runner, not that big. Fire! Alright, we're not put on upon the fire still, but it's a nice blue runner, see them? Yeah. Come on, blue runner again. So we don't have time to put him on the fire now, because I tell you, say, nice day. Yes, sir, brother. Fish on? Yeah. Fish on every time. Alright, sir. So light up though. You start to put it out, same take it up, you know. Yeah. You start to turn it back, so watch your rod, watch your rod. Alright, man, so I might take off some fish, alright? Now deal with my rod. Yeah, man, so we're having a little bit of fun out here, yeah. Never get to the bait this morning, but with Sebiki up some out here and set them out and start to get some run, you know. Him get a jack this morning. I will just put him on the grill, right? The same place where we catch a fish, put him on the grill. Tastes good to see. Hold on, the one they are burn up. So I have to take off him one because it's burn up on the fire. So, you know, I said it step. So we have to watch the line and set out right at the same time. Then look at things that I'll get. Yeah.
Nice smoky flavor.
Yeah, nice smoky flavor, man. It tastes good for real. Yeah, I must do this more often, you know. So guys, tell me, you know, if you don't like this kind of video, you know. Yeah, man, see that? Mamba Jack. So guys, tell me if you like this type of video, yeah? And we'll keep doing more. So keep watching, alright? That's my peeps, it's time to leave out of here now, yeah? I'm going to pack up now and thing. I think the bait off of this rod and this one gone already, so it's time to leave here now. So, you know, it was fun after all. Didn't catch a lot of fish, but my second catch a little amberjack, and we just cook them up on the beach side. Same place where we are fishing. We are cooking, we're fishing same way and washing the rods. It was fun, you know. And then him come back again and hook up another one. You know, so it's his day today. I didn't catch anything. So we have to just call today now, alright? So guys, if you like this video now and like videos like these, shoot us a thumbs up, alright? Comment down below and tell us if you like this type of video. So until then, see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Press the notification bell, alright? So we'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Fish on.